In this video I'm going to show you how to add music to Google Slides. So basically there is only one option and this is the method to do that. So what we need to do is go to Insert, then you will find different options as you can see. We will click on Video. And once you are there, then you need to copy a URL into this box. So what we need to do is go to YouTube, search for a no copyright song, and then just copy the URL. Once you have done that, go back to the overview and copy the URL into this box. Now give it a little bit of time, and once you have added the video, then you will see it pop up. Now we can select it, insert, and as you can see, this video is now inserted into this Google slide. But we still see the video and we would like to minimize that as small as possible. So we need to make it smaller and then crop it a little bit more till it is very small. And now you can move it to the corner of this video. And what we need to do is to select over here underneath video playback to start it automatically. The one problem we have is that you need to add it manually to each page, to each slide, and it always starts automatically playing. So if you know how long you are talking with this slide, then you can set the starting time and the ending time. If you don't know that, then it's quite hard and this music will start playing automatically each time you switch slides. So that is basically how you add music to Google Slides. Thank you for watching.